guys, welcome on Tech Care, and today we will learn how to upload files on Google Drive. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the Google and log in on your Gmail account. Okay. I'm already logged in on my Gmail account. On the right hand side, here are dots. Click on that and you can see here is the option Drive. Click on that. Okay, then to upload the files on Google Drive, you can see here is the on the left hand side, here is the option New. If you want to upload a folder, then click on Folder Upload. And if you want to upload an individual file, then go to File Upload. Okay, then choose the file. I choose this one. Then open that file. You can see your file is uploading. Starting upload. Okay. Your upload was complete. You can see here is your PDF file which you want to upload on your Google Drive. If you want to upload a folder, then go to Folder Upload option. Okay. Then choose that folder and click on Upload. Then Upload. You can see your folder is uploading. It takes some time. Okay, now your folder is uploaded. You can see here is your folder which you already uploaded on your Google Drive. I open that folder. You can see my all files are saved on my Google Drive. So friends, I hope you learned how to upload files on Google Drive. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel Tech Care, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the video. Thank you.